Hey everybody, what's going on? Mark here from TST Industries, back in the garage. And behind me, I have our all new 2025 Yamaha YZF-R3. And in this video, I will be guiding you through the installation process of our TST Industries anodized swingarm spools. Now, this is a very straightforward installation process with all you needing is a 4mm hex bit, hex key, Allen key, or T-handle, whatever tool you have in your garage. And of course, you will need the spools. In this case, we offer our black and natural silver anodized spools, manufactured and anodized right here in the USA, actually right in our backyard here in Central Florida. Now, it is important to note that the spools by themselves are offered in silver or black. However, we have gone ahead and manufactured some spool caps to bring a little bit of pop of color to a rather bland area on your bike like the swing arm. So if you'd like, you can add on a color choice, whether it be red, blue, green, gray, charcoal, or black. They're all available for your choosing, so you can go ahead and pair specific colors with your spools to bring a little bit of pop, whether that be a black on silver combination or a green on black combo. The choice is entirely yours. These are optional components, so please keep that in mind as you are shopping. Now, this installation process is very straightforward, so without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right in. So here we are on the rear swing arm. On the right side, it is important to note that there are two holes on this boss. One is to offset the spacing, as this swing arm is actually not symmetrical from the factory. So Yamaha has incorporated a spaced off boss so that when you use a lift with spools, your bike does sit flat. So let's go ahead, and if you were opting to use any of the colored accent caps, they're really easy. They just pop right on. Nice seamless install, and at this point you would feed the bolt through and go ahead and finalize it. On this particular installation, we will not be using the cap. First, we're going to line up the bolt and slowly begin threading it in place. Now, it is important to note that Yamaha does paint these swing arm bosses, so don't be surprised if threading in the bolt feels a little tight. You're just clearing off those threads from how they manufacture them. Once you catch a few threads slowly, you can go ahead and bottom this bolt out, finish this installation. And now on this particular setup, if you are a rider who wishes to use Loctite, you can do so. There are no plastic components in this assembly as it currently sits, so using Loctite is not a bad idea. If you plan on using any of the caps, I would recommend against Loctite, and you could torque these down to 8 foot-pounds and they'd be nice and secure. And just like that, this side is now completed. We can hop on over to the left side of the bike and repeat this installation and call it a day. And there you have it. Just like that, this installation is now complete. As you can see, you've installed successfully our TST Industries anodized swingarm spools, and now you have a secure lift point on the swing arm, so you can lift up your bike and do some routine maintenance or store it away safe and sound. If you like these spools, you want to check them out, see what else we have available for the 2025 Yamaha YZF-R3 or any other bike that may be in your garage, please be sure to visit our website, tstindustries.com. The link to these spools can be found in the description below. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, you just want to say hey, let us know where you're watching from, please feel free to do so in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. If you found this video helpful, please be sure to give us a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Turn the notification bell on to stay up to date with all the new and exciting videos we have coming out for the R3 and many other bikes. And of course, you can always follow us on social media, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, or X, all username TST Industries. For now, this has been Mark in the TST Garage, and we will catch you next time. Ride safe.